Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to our video montage, the Success Journey Entrepreneurial Program in UTM. We are from Group 8 and we are Ahmad Niaz, MD Ariful Islam, MD Newaz Tazin Ibna Jalil, and Fahim Shahriyer. Now my friend Ahmad Niaz will talk about the Success Journey Entrepreneurial Journey in UTM.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're going to talk about UTM Excite entrepreneurship webinars that happened this year, and we've had a ton of amazing speakers and a ton of amazing topics and a lot to learn, and we have learned a lot through these webinars. And we'll be first talking about the first webinar where the topic was AI and data science for startups, and it was an amazing and webinar where we got to see an insight into how software startups are run and what goes on behind the scenes and how they have fared through the pandemic. And Dr. Afnizan Faisal Abdullah was an amazing speaker, and he was able to give us a lot of advice and teach us a lot of things, basically give us a good idea of what is to follow, especially since we're computer science students. It was an amazing experience, and it was really nice. Then I would like to talk about the UTM Excite entrepreneurship webinar where the topic was beautifying business for a post-pandemic world. It was the speaker of this webinar was Dr. Mariani Abdul Hamid. She's the founder of Dermax Skincare and also a senior lecturer at the Faculty of Engineering at UTM. And Dermax Skincare is a natural based beauty skincare product, and it's one of the first natural based beauty skincare products in Malaysia, I think. And she was able to run this business, and the whole idea behind it and how she worked through promoting this business during the pandemic and how she made it through it was very inspirational. And it's one of my favorite UTM Excite webinars, and it's one to really watch if you want to get inspired to become a good entrepreneur. Now we'll talk about the final UTM Excite entrepreneurship webinar where the topic was social entrepreneurship in agriculture sector. The speaker of this was Mr. Said Suleiman, and he told us about all the innovative techniques he used in his agricultural industry and how he was able to take over from his father and grow his business and become something that his father couldn't even dream of, and how he was excited to do all this because he was passionate about it. And it's an amazing webinar that I recommend everyone to watch, and it's one of my favorites. Moving on, Ariful is going to talk about the rest.
Thank you, Ahmed Niaz, for your wonderful presentation. Now I'm going to talk about UTM Excite Entrepreneurship webinar, which was about sports and social entrepreneurship. And the speaker of this webinar was Mr. Rudy Yakub, and he is the CEO of BTOP Academy. So BTOP Academy is a sports club and a social entrepreneurship based in Kotabaru in Kelantan. And for that session, our moderator was Dr. Omar Hayat Abdul Kohar. He is a senior lecturer in UTM. And actually this academy is all about youth career, youth club, and also some social entrepreneurship work. So we got lots of things to know from this webinar talk. And then we have commerce talk series 1, which is about skyrocket your career. So this was about actually building Malaysian drone technology. So the speaker was there was two speaker, which is Farhan Fuad and also Shafiq Muhammad Saleh. So Farhan Fuad, he is actually VP of IAB Ventures, and Muhammad Shafiq, he is CEO of Asian Drone IoT Technology. So their vision was for the drone industry in Malaysia. They expected to reach RM 900 million market revenue by 2025. So this is a huge challenge for them, and they are still working with it. So yeah, this was our commerce talk 1, and there is another one, commerce talk series 2, which is all about blockchain technology, and the speaker was Nurlisa Francis Nordin and also Muhammad Ibrahim Abdul Majid. So actually they also talk about the career opportunity for blockchain industry, and how we can get to know about it, and what is it, and talking about their security, blockchain security, and they discussed all of the things in this commerce talk series. So that's all from my side. Now let me show the some motivational speech from them.
If you want to become a successful entrepreneur, this is the biggest problem faced by many entrepreneurs.
In order for you to have the right solution, you need to know the right problem.
Every time we do the research, so the output of the research must be a pattern.
Secondly is learning. It's all about learning. Every project is a new learning for us. So, but we also need to make sure that we have the accountability to deliver it on time.
But mentally, you need to be very strong. What people say, you still say that, yes, I believe, I can do it.